Can you repeat that again, Ms. Debbie?
The company name is Veritext. That is spelled V like Victor, Eritxt.
Oh.
And that's the name of the court reporting agency. And I'm going to give you their phone number. Are you ready?
Everything is on record.
No, it's not. This would not be on the record. I'm giving you my phone number.
No, I'm talking about for my safety. My conversations are being on record for my safety.
Yes. I'm just, since you're not really wanting to give me any contact information of yours.
Ma'am, I don't want you to falsely accuse me of doing anything. I'm providing you with, I answered your questions.
I know. I'm providing you my contact information so that you have it.
And I told you it's on record, ma'am. I'm not trying to be confrontational, but I'm telling you it's on record. I don't know what else to tell you.
I understand. Mr. Newson, I am no longer asking you for your contact information. I am giving you my contact information.
Okay, I'm telling you it's on record, ma'am. Everything is on record. Everything is on record.
Kevin,
Mr. Newson, if you could please take down her contact information. And in addition, can you please let us know?
Sir, listen, sir, I'm telling you everything is on record. So when I say everything is on record, everything I'm saying to you right now, like all my conversations are being recorded. My conversations are being recorded. So my conversations are being, if you having a conversation with me right now, is being recorded, sir.
But Mr. Newson, are you recording this proceeding right now?
I'm recording my conversation because by law I have every right to record my conversation.
Mr. Newsom, you cannot be recording this conversation.
I'm recording my conversation. My conversation. Not you guys' conversation.
Yeah.
I have to obey the law. I'm sorry. You can't stop me from doing the right thing. You can't stop me from doing the right thing by law.
Are we on?
You're on.
Mr. Newsom, can you please let us know whether you're recording this deposition?
Objection. I answered your question. The question you asked me, I answered it already. I told you what I was doing. I don't know what else to tell you, sir.
Mr. Newsom, is that yes or no?
I told you what I told you, sir. What do you want me to tell you, sir?
I want you to answer the question.
I did answer the question, sir. I just told you. Objection. I answered your question. I probably didn't answer it the way you want me to answer it, but by law, sir, I just answered your question.
Okay. I don't understand what your answer is. I'm asking you whether
I don't know how else to
deposition.
explain it, sir. I don't know. This is the best way, I don't know how else to explain it, sir. How else do you want me to explain it, sir? I'm not trying to be confrontational, sir.
And Mr. Newsom, I'm not trying to be confrontational either. I need to know whether you are recording this deposition with your cell phone.
Objection, sir. I already answered your question.
And what was your answer, Mr. Newsom?
I already told you what I told you, sir. I did not refuse to answer your question, sir. So do not falsely accuse me of refusing to answer any of your questions because I answered your question, sir. I probably didn't answer it the way you want me to answer it, but I answered your question, sir. It's on record, too.
Mr. Newsom, I don't consent to being recorded in this deposition.
I'm saying, listen, sir. Listen, sir. I said, listen, sir. I said, I'm not recording you. Don't falsely accuse me of recording your conversation. I'm recording my conversation.
And what do you mean by that?
What do you mean? What do I mean by that, sir? I don't have no right to record your conversation, but I have every right to record my conversation for my safety. Cause I don't want you guys to, assume that I said anything, I just want to make sure, I be careful with my words, and I want to make sure you guys be careful with you guys' words.
And Mr. Newsom, that's why Debbie is creating the transcript of this proceeding.
Okay, she have every right to do so.
Mr. Newsom, I'm talking and I need to finish. You're not allowed to independently record on your cell phone this deposition proceeding.
Sir, sir, listen, sir, by law you can't tell me I cannot, you cannot, by law, sir, you can't stop me from doing the right thing, sir. By law, you can't do that.
Well, we're not going to proceed with this deposition if you're recording this.
You falsely accuse me of recording your conversation, sir. you're gonna get in legal trouble, sir. I just told you what I'm doing, sir. What I'm deciding. I mean, what I decided to do. I just told you what I did, sir. I mean, like, I don't know what else to tell you, sir.
Debbie, can we take a 5-minute break?
We're off the record.
Thanks.
Okay, can you take me off the record too? Let me mute. I don't know what to do. No, matter of fact, I'll still be here.
We're off.
We are off the record.
Okay. Mr. Newson, I'm going to take a 5-minute break. I'll be back, okay? Debbie, can we go back on?
On the record.
Let's try this again. Mr. Newson, I need you to answer whether or not you are recording this deposition on your cell phone.
Sir, I answered the question.
Okay. If you're going to refuse to answer the question...
Sir, don't falsely accuse me. I said I answered your question, sir. It's on record already, sir.
Mr. Newson, no, it's not. And I'm simply asking you to answer the question whether you are recording this on your cell phone.
Okay, what did I say, sir? What did I decide to, tell you?
You said you're recording your personal statements. And I need to know whether you are recording this deposition with your cell phone.
I'm recording my personal conversation. My personal conversation.
What does that mean, your personal conversation?
Sir, I answered your question. You asked me a question, right? I answered your question, right?
Mr. Newson, if you don't answer the question as to whether you are recording this by audio or video, we're going to need to cancel the deposition, and my office will file a motion with the court to compel you to sit for a deposition, and you may be responsible for the court costs here today. So can you please answer my question?
I'm claiming common law jurisdiction. I waive all benefits.
Mr. Newson, let me finish. This is your final time. I'm going to give you a chance.
Are you on the oath right now, sir? You're an attorney, right? So basically, you are on the oath. You are on the oath. So basically, sir. So what I'm asking you, like, I need you to do me a favor if you don't mind, sir. Just honor your oath. Do the right thing, sir.
Your final opportunity to answer the question before we cancel the deposition, and my office files a motion with the court to compel you to sit for a deposition that's not recorded on your...
I answered your question, sir. It's already on record, sir. I said what I said was, sir, I'm recording my personal info. I'm recording my personal conversation for my safety. What else do you want me to say, sir? I don't know what else to say, sir. Use that against me, sir. Use that against me, sir. Don't falsely accuse me of saying anything I didn't decide to say out my mouth today. Because if you do, sir, you can get into legal trouble, sir. Trust me, believe me. I wouldn't mislead you, sir.
Do you have any audio recording device activated right now?
Objection. I answered your question already.
Okay, I'm asking you a follow-up question.
Objection.
Any audio recording device activated right now?
Sir, objection. If you want to use whatever you feel like I didn't, sir, I'm just saying, just do the right thing, sir. You're under oath right now, and sir, you didn't even tell me to swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So it's like I'm confused right now.
We never got to any of that because the court reporter was politely asking you whether you were recording this deposition.
And what did I say, sir? It's on record. What did I say, sir? Use everything I decided to say on record against me, sir. Use it against me, sir.
That's why I'm asking.
Use it against me, sir. If you do feel like you need to do, sir, use everything I decided to say on record today. Because you just said we was on record, and then you just said off record, on record. So I know for a fact we on record. So use it against me, sir. Use it against me, sir. By law, use it against me, sir.
Mr. Newson, we're going to conclude today's deposition. My office is going to file a motion with the court to compel you to sit for the deposition.
And like I said, sir, look, if you try to fee me or whatever like that, I'm gonna claim common law jurisdiction. I'm gonna waive all fees.
Okay. Debbie, that's all I have. We can conclude today's deposition.
Off the record.
Okay, off the record. Thank you.